Welcome back to our channel!
What's on the menu today?
Oh my gosh, we have a good one for you. It is something I have been dreaming about in my sleep for a little while, ever since I went to Korea like a year ago plus. But I can't really find it anywhere here in San Francisco, so I've been like looking up recipes on how to make it, and Jane offered to make it for me. Well, yeah.
Yeah, it's like it's not something that you would find in a lot of Korean restaurants. It's like something your mom makes at home for like Saturday afternoon lunch or something. It's called Sujebi. Sujebi.
Sujebi. So the English translation is basically a potato hand torn noodle soup. So we actually made the dough from scratch, and from there we pull and kind of drop these thin leaves of noodles into the soup. And it is so good. It's like fluffy and carb heavy.
It's a very comforting, heartwarming dish.
If you enjoy something with a little bit of a seafood flavor base, nothing too strong and heavy on the chili, this one's a great one for you.
Yeah, I agree. It's like one of my favorite dishes. My mom used to make it for us all the time. Growing up, like once a week, because it was like easy. Because it's like water, some potatoes, a couple pieces of vegetables, and then flour, and she just like whips it up.
But somehow it tastes so amazing. Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
What's nice is like the dough, it's not milly, it's like bouncy a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, follow along and see how we make it.
Ba-dum-bum. Go. Very low battery, so eat it. Dabong.
Yummy. How do I say it?
Sujebi.
Sujebi. How do I say sujebi is delicious?
맛있어.
맛있어.
Oh. You approve?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's good.